one's called Electric Chair.
When it all goes wrong, a man begins to wonder where it starts. And I would say from the very first day that June possessed my heart, it took all of my charm, but I made her my girl. It took some time, but I made her mine. Then Chet entered our world. I'm in the electric chair. He goes with it. Just think about how it came to pass. I'm in the electric chair. It's only fair. And after what I've done, they fry my ass. Drummer wasn't better, he was not from round these parts. Just sharp as a dime, filling old tunes eyes and heart. They were open to tune as he sees my dream. Now I've been falling of him, drumming in hell. I was filled with rage and trail, falling to ignore. Knocked back my drinks and down the grass, I stormed out through the door. June and I got home. They fucked up in my truck, my mind a bit of ruin. Suspicion, ammunition, I knew I'd see Jet soon. Well, I bust down the door, it's my rifle to the eye. Sergeant with Molly, man, and my sister and my bride. And guess what it gets? I got what I got. I gave them 3 bullets, they gave me 20,000 watts.